I'm giving Sarah peaches. Ready? It's really sweet. I tasted it myself. Look, and just to prove that it's not poison, here's Jacob. Jacob, take a bite. Hup. Mmm. Yummy. Look. Try another bite. Try another bite. He likes it. Hup. Whoop. Okay, now back to Miss Sarah. Sarah. Hello, Sarah. Hi, cute girl. Are you afraid to take another bite? She's like, nope, I'm not having it. Icky, huh? But they're so sweet and tasty. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye. Sorry, no more peaches for you. Say bye-bye.